Here I have KIANO Elegance 4.0 and let me show you how to accomplish a hard reset operation on this device. So let me show you how to erase all data from your phone. At the very beginning, let's activate your KIANO by using a power key. Let's unlock the screen. Right here, tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Scroll down and under personal tab you should find backup and reset. So let's choose backup and reset. Select factory data reset, read the information about the process and choose reset phone. If you are sure that you want to erase all your personal information and downloaded apps, choose erase everything. And right now the device is performing the hard reset, the factory reset operation. The smartphone is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings, installed apps. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Let's wait until the restoring will be completed. Excellent, the welcome panel of KIANO Elegance just pops up, so it simply means that hard reset operation is done. Now you can simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.